Nowadays, everyone Googles everyone. Friends, relatives, recruiters, hiring managers, and even strangers may be searching for you on the web. 79% of recruiters and hiring managers screen applicants by information available online. 86% of hiring managers have rejected someone based on information available online. 81% of millennials Google their date before going out. 7 in 10 internet users search online for information about others. Whatever you see in Google when you type your name is crucial for your professional and personal life. Whatever people see searching your business is its most important success or failure factor. Your online reputation can define your future, as well as the future of your business. Not paying attention means missing out on great opportunities, which is the best-case scenario, and sometimes even setting yourself up for failure. That's why both personal and business reputation management is so important these days. Reputation management is about making sure you can somehow control the top search results in Google, Bing, or other search engines for your brand name. In other words, if a competitor or hater sponsors a nasty review about you or your business, you should be able to outrank it in search results with your own assets.